Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your eBay account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your eBay account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address ebay.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of eBay over here. And after that, you will be directed over here on the home page of eBay. Now in order to log into your account, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. Now in order to log in, just click on that sign in button, and over here guys, let's click on the switch account, and over here you will be on this panel. Now in order to log into your eBay account from over here, either you can just enter your email address or username, or you can log in with your Facebook, Google or Apple IDs. If you click on either of these three buttons, a login page to Facebook, Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you will also be logged into your eBay account with your Facebook, Google or Apple accounts. And with that being said guys, after entering your email or your username, click on next, and over here you'll be required to enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the need help signing in. And now in order to log in after entering your password guys, click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your eBay account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your eBay account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.